All right, let's see how to find horizontal and vertical asymptote of a rational function. So I have examples here on how to find the horizontal and vertical asymptote of the following rational function. For example, the first one, f of x is equal to x squared plus 25 divided by x squared minus 25. Remember, horizontal asymptote. For the first one, horizontal asymptote, HA, degree of the numerator is equal to degree of the denominator is equal. This means you have to take A over B. So in our case, the horizontal asymptote is, x squared, which is 1 divided by 1, then 1. Vertical asymptote focus on the denominator. That is, solve for x squared minus 25 is equal to 0. This is x squared is equal to 25. This is x is equal to plus or minus root 25. Then x is negative 5 and 5. This is the vertical asymptote, and the horizontal asymptote is y is equal to 1. Now, let's go to the next problem. Next problem is this one. Now, look at this one. Horizontal asymptote. We said that if degree of n of x is greater than degree of the numerator, then there are no horizontal asymptotes. So the answer is there are no horizontal asymptotes for this function. And vertical asymptote, solve for x to the fourth plus 3 is equal to 0. So this one, let me remove this. Okay, so the solution for this one, x to the fourth is equal to negative 3. So this is no solution under the set of real numbers. So the conclusion, there are no vertical asymptotes here, because you can't find the value of x for this equation. It's a complex number and there is no solution under the set of real numbers, so there are no vertical asymptote. Now here, horizontal asymptote, degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. In this case, if then y is equal to 0. So the horizontal asymptote in this case is 0 according to the rules to determine the horizontal asymptote. And vertical asymptote, VA, 5x to the 6 plus 1 is equal to 0. This is 5x to the 6 negative 1. Again, no real solution for this function. This 5x to the 6 is equal to negative 1. So there are no vertical asymptote for this case as well, because you can find a solution for 5x to the 6 is equal to negative 1. All right, the last one, let's see, horizontal asymptote, right? Horizontal asymptote, degree of, if let's see, if degree of the numerator is greater than degree of this one of the denominator, then according to the procedure there are no horizontal asymptote. So no horizontal asymptote. Vertical asymptote, x minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies that the vertical asymptote is equal to 2.